my name's David Land. My background is in automotive. I spent 27 years in a local company called Talent Engineering, now known to most as Gestamp. I was business development director for quite a number of years and thought life was great. I used to drive around and fly around all over the world to Japan and North America and win business and come back to the plant and say, it's a doddle, you just have to crack on and get it done. And then in 2008, somebody told me I had to put up or shut up, and I got responsibility of the plant right in the middle of the economic downturn. So I learned the hard way, and I started to learn what was really going on in a plant and what was needed to try and run it, and what those implications were. And then for a couple of years after that, I became the engineering director for their UK operations, 7 sites, £500 million worth of business. So I got to learn a lot, or I thought I got to learn a lot. I decided 7 years ago to take a bit of a leap of faith and left and started up my own. I probably gave half of my working week away to charitable or community-based projects, and I will sing the praises of the UTC in a couple of minutes. And on the other couple of days, I do some paid work for a couple of consultancies. One's my own, which advises SMEs and individuals, and the other one's a company called IEA Growth. So that's a bit of my background. The community bit and why we're here today. This UTC started its first intake 5 years ago, pretty much to the day in terms of where we were. Prior to that, it was a field with some very random stray horses on it, and we had the task of selling the concept of a university technical college to parents and children of age 14 and 16 across this region, not across the area. And I've got to say, having Tom on board's been great because we've done a great job. We've had our 5th outtake this year. Our result levels progressively get better. But the bit that I talk about and boast about the most is we've had 100% of our students go to a destination of choice, be that higher education, be that further education, be that degree-based apprenticeships, be that apprenticeships, or be that going into any engineering or manufacturing entity. So for us, it's a great thing. It helps kids grow into sort of mini adults. It's transitional space. It allows them to develop and open up, and the team that are here encourage that level of interactivity. So that's one of the main passions I've got. I sort of sit on the University of Sunderland Governors Board, who are one of the founders of the UTC. I chair EMN. I actually helped set EMN up, and this is the sort of growth. We've got to just under 300 businesses that are now engaged with us, and we're quite pleased. But again, what we do is network operations, and we do where we are.